Yahoo, Prof here, and we're finally getting to this guy, which I got far too long ago. Amazon Warehouse, Dreadnaw theme deck, Vivid Voltage. Doesn't have a cool name though, just Dreadnaw theme. A lot of these have like, kind of cool names to them. Gotta open this up, make sure it's fine. I mean, it doesn't seem to be open. It seems a little banged up, but that's about it. Finally got myself one of these. I've been missing this one. So, let's get cracking here. Alright, pop her open. There's this playmat. Yeah. Cheap paper playmat. Quick start guide rules for Vivid Voltage. Damage counters. This is actually about the Dreadnaw theme deck, probably like oh, I forgot to take pictures of the deck, guys, before cutting it open. I'm failing as my job. What you can do during your turn cheat sheet. Then we have the Dreadnaw Hollow, filed by the online code card. If you guys are interested in that, hit me up on Twitter at the Prophecyst. And it just says Vivid Voltage Dreadnaw theme deck. Yeah. Very lame name. Very straightforward. And here we actually have the actual deck. I'm going to go through this, put them all in order of the deck that it's supposed to be, and we'll come back and take a look at what's all in it. Because Dreadnaw, it's surprising that he would have an entire deck based on him, unless maybe there's multiple, I would assume. Because the Blastoise deck has one or two Dreadnoughs in it. So I don't know if he's technically like a good enough card to base a whole deck around. I mean, I guess so, since there is one. But we'll find out in a couple seconds here. Oh, and we forgot it. There's a little coin. A Dreadnaw coin. Plastic one, but shiny. Alright, we've got the deck all sorted. We have the first off, there's 3 Dreadnaws, so you get your 1 hollow one. I would probably replace the this hollow one in the deck if I end up with a non-hollow. Just because I really see no reason to have hollows in the deck. Some of these decks have rarer cards, so it's not just the standard, like this is just a Vivid Voltage Dreadnaw. I'm pretty sure I can get one of those non-hollow in just by pulling Vivid Voltage cards. I may even already have. So you got 3 of those. You saw one already, the hollow one. You got 3 Choodles, which is the previous one. Then we have 2 Samurott. We have 3 Duat, which I love that art on that one. I'd like a hollow version of those. We have 3 Oshawott, the pre-evolved form of that. And we have 1 Barraskewda, and we have 3 Arrokudas. We have 2 Cramorants. I have plenty of first hollow one of those. I would almost use them in a deck just to get rid of them, unless you guys need them. Wishy-Washy, 2 of those. Then we get into the trainer cards, 2 Baydays. We got 2 Dans, an Evolution Incense, 2 Great Balls, 4 Hops, which I swear you're trying to deck yourself, feels like. But I've definitely ran into playing the online game where I just freaking can't get an energy card, which is just sucks. 3 Nessas, 2 Professor's Research, I believe. Yep. And we have 2 Sonia, another pretty common card. 2 switch, and then we have 18 water energy. So this deck fully checks out. Oh, I can keep it straightened out here. This deck fully checks out. I'm just going to try and find myself another non-hollow Dreadnaw to put in the box with it, so I can keep that hollow one in my binder. There you go. Here's what the deck box looks like. I keep them in there. Usually keep it that side up so you know what you're grabbing. Maybe one day, once this COVID stuff's done, I'll be able to try some of these out, you know? After playing the online one, I can definitely tell it takes a couple rounds to get used to a deck. So we'll have to see how that works in real life. Definitely, you know, if I were to play, I plan on using the pre-built decks first, because I got no freaking clue how to build the deck. I know I definitely want things to pull cards. And I do prefer base level Pokemon that are better. Because like a lot of times when you have base level ones that are like crap, their evolved forms are great. It is rough a lot of times though, having to like, you're basically sacrificing 3 to 4 Pokemon just to get 1 to 2 that will hopefully just crush them. You know, that's another way to make a deck. And I don't know, you know, I'm new to that too, because I'm just using the built-in ones to the online game currently. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. A peek at the Pokemon Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage Dreadnaw deck. I've actually been trying to get this one for a while, and I think it was Target that had it, or still has it, but they have like a limit on shipping, and I just never met, like, one of these decks is not enough to meet that minimum. So I just kept waiting and waiting, and eventually it showed up as on Amazon Warehouse for an even better deal. I think under $10. So yeah, was good, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more stuff like this. Let me know what other kind of stuff you want to see in decks, and I'll see what I can do for you. Have a good one.